Hello, this was shared with me so I can share it with you. This is a back seat protector for you to transport your dog. When I get this open here, you can see it is a nice woven sewn base there. All comes in one little package there. So let's just get this opened. Of course, you're going to want to be careful not to cut your canvas. We're just going to open this up here at the top. All right, so there is our protector for our back seat. Now let's get this open. This will work for an SUV or a pickup truck, and it just flops like that. This here is going to go up here in the front console because this is how your puppy can look out to see you in the front. This part here will go on the back. This part here will come out, and then when you're ready to put it in, you go here, or you've got your latch and hook there that'll seal it like that. Keep your sides up. This can go up here on this handle when you're ready. And then this part here will go around your front. So you can see here then, we also have this part that sits on your seat. This is a nice non-skid base there so that it shouldn't slide around even if you have a vinyl seat. This of course is going to come out through here. We have our latch and hook there for the edges. We'll just let that go right together there. And that protects your door here. You can still have the little screen here so that if you have your window open, the air can still flow through there. We also have this up here, which allows the air conditioning to still blow through to the back. You have this here where you can put snacks, treats, your water bottle, things like that for the dog, just to have some space there. Keep it all organized in one little location for you. Then we have this here, so we can then put our seat back, and then you can see, obviously you can tighten this up however you want to. And that is what this side looks like. This is machine washable, so you can fold it down at the end and it will be able to be washed. We will put this here. This shows you how it goes into the side like this, and then it fits right down there like that. You can extend this, make it longer or shorter as you need to fit your seat. Now we're going to go to the other side and show you that side. So now you can see what it looks like from this side. Again, we have this to just go over your headrest back here, and you can adjust them so that it's more centered for your vehicle, but that's good enough for us for this case of this demonstration. And we have this one, which will go over this here. So you can see there, that is how it's going to sit for your puppy. What we have also is there are holes here for your seatbelt to come through. So if you attach your dog's collar or a leash to one of the seatbelt, if you have one of the seatbelt systems for your dog, that just hooks right in there so it doesn't cover it. You can pull it right through, and there's one on each end for that. Then here, again, we're just going to put this up through this top. Here is one of the seatbelt, one of the clips for your dog for the seatbelt. If you decide to use that, that's how that works in there. And you're just going to push it in there. That works for your seatbelt, and then this snaps to your dog. So your dog is secured in the back. And there are two of those. There's one for each side. And then here we will just put this through up here. And again, just like the other side, it has the way for them to see through it. We also have the hook and loop here. This across like this. So that makes your corner nice and neat like that. And then here on this side, we have a pocket. So some little extra storage there for the back of your car. Again, the air conditioning mesh there. And here's also a mesh, so your windows, if you have your windows open, it can flow through to the dog as well. And then we just need to put the seat back, and then this part up, and you're good to go. So check that out if you're looking for a nice way to transport your dogs. Again, this is machine washable, and it's also scratch proof, so it's not gonna, this will save your back seat from being torn up by your dog claws, and this will protect it. And it's also waterproof as well, so you can spill water on here, not have to worry about it. It has a PVC plastic coating to the material, so that will save you lots of effort there in the long run. So check it out. We're going to go get our puppy and see what she thinks of it. So here you can see it is kind of bright here behind us, so you can see what it looks like there with the puppy in it. And again, she can just chill out here, not going to get her claws on the seat. And then we would just put up here like this. She can just sit in there and be all happy in her nice little comfy home.